We are hunting. We deliver sustainable value for our stakeholders through our sector-leading products and technology. The world of energy is changing, and so are we. Welcome to Hunting 2030. Our 2030 strategy leverages our precision engineering expertise from our core markets of energy and oil and gas to further develop new revenue streams in non-oil and gas and energy transition markets. This will lead to sustainable growth in profits and cash flows, which will support our shareholder returns to the end of the decade. We will seize the opportunities that arise from the energy transition with technology we're manufacturing now, while generating growth, cash flow, and profits from our core energy businesses. All of this will fund growth and shareholder returns as we expand into these new and exciting areas.
The strategy for the company today is to establish a business that has long-term, consistent returns for our shareholders. We're going to do that by focusing on our core oil and gas business. On the other side of our strategy, it is to diversify more into things like the energy transition. And then lastly, it's growing our business in areas such as aerospace and defense, where we see a lot of growth opportunities in the future. We have a very broad, diversified group of products that we think will generate great returns in the future for the company.
We'll do this by utilizing our unique skills, expertise, and knowledge of advanced manufacturing and materials. Our products do their job, no matter the circumstances or environment. Our operations are driven by quality-assured products, supported by a strong HSE policy that ensures the health and safety of employees, customers, and vendors, while consciously integrating environmental matters into all business practices.
When I look back over the history of hunting, which will be 150 years old next year, one of the key strengths of our company has been how agile we've been over the many, many decades that we've been in business to adapt to the markets out there today, which allowed us to continue to give good returns to our shareholders. Hunting's success boils down to its people. And so the key to our success has been and will always be our people, number one. Our way that we can innovate and develop new products is number two. And our ability to be international and service our customers regardless of what market that they're in.
We hold over 500 patents and trademarks, and the products are our intellectual property. Our wide portfolio of products includes the manufacture of perforating systems, oil country tubular goods and accessories, advanced manufacturing, and subsea technologies. All of this is underpinned by the hunting mark of quality that enables our customers to deliver their work not only faster, but safer too. We have a diverse and global customer base. And we're global too. Hunting has operating sites in countries across the world and are opening new or bigger facilities in India and Dubai to support the strong growth projected in these regions. Why are we launching our 2030 strategy? Because we know that our products and service enhance our customers' operations in many different sectors. Our expertise and ethos is valued in other industries, and we are pursuing these opportunities. In fact, we're already operating in these new markets.
The key investment proposition is we want to return value to shareholders through having a more steady stream of revenue and profits through the long term. And that is a result of diversification of our product offering, our geographic reach, and our continued innovation of new products.
Our order book looks really healthy. The healthy order book reflects our strong position in key areas such as subsea, international business, global footprint in our wide suite of products. It's a great time for hunting. We're going to generate some great returns over the next decade, and we're looking forward to returning some of that cash back to our shareholders in the future.
I wish I had another 20 years to work at Hunting, but it's an exciting place to be and it's an exciting time for hunting.
We're looking to the future. We're optimistic about where we are headed. We are evolving. We are transforming, and we're doing it now.
We are hunting.
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 We are hunting.